Alright, what is up everyone? I'm here to bring you a very important, very interesting update on Polkadot. There's so many interesting things going on in the market right now. So in this video, I want to run through some technical analysis, talk about what I see happening both short-term and long-term. So if you like the sound of that, I want to ask you to please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads, because we have been killing it on this channel, and hopefully together we can continue killing it. So let's run through some TA here, guys. I see a lot of interesting things going on. Just right off the bat, let me describe. I think we're kind of forming an ascending triangle here, with the one possible top at $18.3640, another top being at $19.50. So as well, aside from that, I kind of drawn this this red rectangle to kind of describe this kind of possible sideways channel I believe we're in. Because yes, I do think we're forming an ascending triangle, but at the same time, I do think we're in a channel. We're clearly reacting off a narrow price range here between $14.80 and $18.50. We're pretty range bound within here, so I do think it's helpful to draw this red channel. Now, we could always break down, guys. Anything could anything can happen in this market. Crypto is one of the most volatile asset classes in the world. That's why there's so much profit to be made, but also so much risk. So below us, these purple boxes, I've drawn some ranges of support if we do indeed break down. First one kind of being $15.30 to $14.20, just because of the of prior wicks and price action kind of reacting off these levels. Kind of the bottom of this area here being where these candles, where the body of these candles closed here, and in the top, I'd say I'd want to place the top right at the top of this wick right here. So actually, kind of we could extend this to infinity, well, actually to the top of the movement. So we kind of have to choose a range here, and I think kind of $15.50 to $14.20, that kind of range makes sense. As well, we can see a little bit of volume starting to pick up right around there. As well, below us, I think the $12 to $11.30 makes sense for support, because we had based off these wicks prior, and kind of worst case scenario for Polkadot, let's say we break down, I think we fall back down to the, I would say, $10.35 to $9.30. I'd say that's kind of worst case scenario. Volume really starting to pick up here. A lot of sideways price action. Also, the 200 EMA on the 6 hour is right about there. But I don't think falling down to these levels is quite likely as of yet. I currently think the most valid pattern, the most valid thing we need to look out for is yes, this channel, but also this kind of ascending triangle. Because if we start to break down below this ascending triangle, we could still be within this channel. But if we break down below this thing, I think it'll be pretty telling for future price action. If we start to break down and move sideways within this channel, just keep moving sideways, I think that would be a bearish indication, because we broke down we broke down bearishly from a pattern. So ultimately, guys, I think Polkadot has a big move within the next week or so here. So if you haven't gotten into Polkadot, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't want to give financial advice, but I would be considering dollar cost averaging my way into Polkadot right now, because we seem to be in an ascending triangle, and we're soon going to have a very big move here, guys. We're seeing the top altcoins starting to explode. Ethereum's messing around near its all-time highs. Top altcoins such as Chainlink is pumped well above its all-time highs. Chainlink led the DeFi rally back in August, so that's something we need to keep our eyes out for as well. Here, based on the 6 hour as well, we're starting to move above these previous wicks, which is bullish. We'd say this wick here, this wick here, this wick here is at, what price is this? $18.28. We're currently pushing above that. So if this continues, if we can close above this red line, I think we might be tackling recent all-time highs at $19.41. If we can do that, let's talk about the bullish scenario, guys, because I honestly think, well, we're in a bull market, guys. Things are bullish. Everything's breaking out bullishly. Let's take a look. Bitcoin dominance is falling. We'll take a look at Bitcoin dominance in a second, but let's say we break out bullishly. Could we reach $26, $27 in the near to midterm? I think that is completely and totally possible. I in fact, would wager that it's more likely that we break up than we break down at the moment. But of course, we do need confirmation. I don't know that for sure. We need confirmation. So if we start to close above this red line here, kind of like $18, let's say 30 cents. If we start to close above that, I think we likely test $19.45 soon. if we can start to close above $19.45, and I mean close above, like at one or two, 6 hour, 4 hour, 3 hour, 1 hour candles closing above this red line, then I think we see, $26-ish soon. Another thing to consider, coins love to do these fake outs where we break out bullishly, then we fall down, and you even break out bearishly and then pump. This market loves to fake people out. Whales love to dump the price past where they know stop loss and limit orders will be. So just understand this is a very volatile market. And also, for me, Polkadot is a long-term hold, guys. When I make these videos, they're kind of with a long-term outlook. I believe this market is likely to peak out around the end of 2021. So I'm going to be holding all my cryptocurrencies until late third quarter, early fourth quarter, because holding the length of the trend, the length of the bull market is not only the lowest risk strategy, but the highest potential ROI strategy. These noobs trying to day trade and swing trade and flip every single dip. I mean, good luck with you. If you're a new person, you're extremely likely to lose. 90% of new traders fail. It's a terrible idea, in my opinion, for new people to try and be flipping and trading these markets. Long-term investing is where it's at, in my opinion, for the vast majority of people. I mean, I trade with maybe 0.5% of a quarter of my portfolio. Like it's nothing. So these are some of the things we need to keep an eye out for Polkadot, kind of in the near term. These price targets. Now, long term, guys, I don't know this for sure. No one knows for sure, but I do think it's probable that Polkadot reaches the hundreds of dollars at the peak of this bull run. I'm kind of basing that off a lot of these larger altcoins, in my opinion, maybe have like a 20x within them still left in there at this point. So no one knows what's going to happen for sure, guys, but I have a sneaking suspicion that might even be conservative. Like $100, $200, I think is reasonable to assume for Polkadot at the peak of this bull run, around the end of 2021. So guys, this is kind of what I'm looking out for. Okay, we're kind of in this channel. To summarize my thoughts here, we're kind of in this channel, also this ascending triangle here. We're likely to have a big move within the next week. These are kind of the support levels I see if we break down, and my long-term price targets for Polkadot. Like I said, guys, this is just for fun. This is a guesstimate. I don't know this for sure. No one knows for sure how high these coins will go or when the bull market will peak out, but I do think it's likely that we reach the low hundreds of dollars, and I do think it's likely that this bull market ends around the end of 2021. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon notified of new uploads. Guys, I've been trying to warn my people. You can check out our Discord group, link for that down in the description below. We've been killing it with the setups we've been pointing out. Chainlink, Polkadot, Ethereum, guys, we've been absolutely killing it. You guys have to stay tuned in this channel. Check out our Discord group. Our Discord members get all this stuff first. Check out our Referral store and check out our Twitter. Links for all that down in the description. Give us a follow and all that. Thank you if you made it this far. I'll wrap it up here, everyone. Take care.